If you want to share an Evernote notebook quickly and the right way, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you're collaborating with a teammate, sharing research with a client, or just sending notes to someone who needs access, Evernote makes it simple to invite people to a notebook in just a few clicks. And if you want more easy software tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Evernote and go to the sidebar on the left side of your screen. From there, click on Notebooks. This will show you all the notebooks stored in your account, so take a moment to find the one you want to share. Once you see the correct notebook, click to open it or select it from the list. Now that the notebook is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a Share button there. Click that Share button to begin the sharing process. This is where Evernote lets you invite other people and control how they can access your notebook. Next, you'll need to invite the people you want to share with. In the invite field, enter the email address of the person you want to give access to. If you need to share the notebook with more than one person, you can usually add multiple email addresses depending on the sharing options available to your account. Take your time here and make sure each email is typed correctly because the invitation will be sent directly to those addresses. After that, it's time to set the permissions. Evernote may give you options such as view access or edit access, depending on your plan and the notebook settings available to you. If you only want someone to read the notes without making changes, choose view. If you want them to help update, organize, or add content, choose edit. This step is important because it controls exactly what other people can do inside the notebook. Once your people and permissions are set, look for the Send Invite button or the Share button, depending on the version of Evernote you're using. Click it to send the invitation. Evernote will then email the recipients with access instructions, and they'll be able to open the notebook from their email invitation. If you don't see the sharing options you expect, double check that you're in the right notebook and that your account plan supports the type of sharing you want to use. Some permissions can vary based on the Evernote plan, so if you're not seeing edit access, that may be the reason. And that's it. You've now learned how to share an Evernote notebook by opening the notebook, clicking share, entering email addresses, setting permissions, and sending the invite. It's a fast and effective way to collaborate and keep everyone on the same page. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Evernote and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.